Hi everyone, André, aka Brazilian shaver, Barba Tradicional here to show you what just arrived from the mail from Pearl Shaving. I've been asked oftentimes what I find about Pearl Shaving, the products, and actually I've never used them. So this is a very good opportunity to show you what has arrived and to put them in test. So let's begin. There's been a couple of things here. So first is the Sunrise Bliss. This is their artisan handmade shaving soap. I've seen them around already and I was intrigued. People say it's really nice and I was intrigued to using, so let's see. It's 155 grams. It comes in this metal tin and I like the labels. I like the labels very much. It's metallic, you know, you see like this reflex. Very nice, and there is some, yeah, you can feel it also with your fingers, and that's the soap. To me, the scent is very mild. It smells buttery, you know. The base ingredients are here on the back, on the bottom, and there's coconut oil, a part of the, you know, acids. Yeah, perfume is right in the end of the list, so I don't feel much the perfume. The fragrance very mild, but yeah, let's see when you whip the leather if that will actually increase. Then I got a shaving brush. That's the SBB 96SY, and that's a synthetic one. Let's crack it open. It is a very big brush. I mean, the handle is tall. You see pearl on the bottom. You see also like this reflection, metallic, glittery look, and the bristles very soft. The knot is quite high, I find, and yeah, super soft, and well, it plays a lot. It plays very much. I don't know if it's like a 24, 26 millimeter. But it is quite a big brush. Let's see. It also came with a shaving bowl. So you see here three things. Well, you see the ridges on the bottom to help building the lather. It is plastic, so super light if you want to travel with it or, you know, store it. There's also the Pearl logo. You of course can hold it. This makes it a good brush holder. Either when you're lathering or shaving, you can like just leave it like so, but also maybe as a stand if you don't have like to drain the water of your brushes after your shave and let it sit on your den. And there's also a hole over here, I suppose, to hold a razor whilst you're shaving if you don't have any. Let's try with the Pearl, the Sleek, which is the newest release from Pearl, and it accommodates here. You can hold it. And also another thing that came, which I was really looking forward to it, because everyone asks me about this, which is the Pearl Flexi. I mean, this is no new razor, it's just me that I hadn't had the opportunity to use before. Really like the presentation, the box. I mean, it does look premium. There's a little magnet over here on the box. And when you open it, let's open it, you see a lot of stuff. You get a thank you note, a thank you card. This is a warranty card, and also 5-year warranty card, and also there's a polishing cloth or a cleaning cloth. And you find here, well, the razor is right here and there's a stand, but you find 5 tucks of Willys premium blade. This one has 11 blades in each, made in India. Indie blades, I've never tried them, I've never used them, so look cool. Let's try. There is, before going to the razor, there is like also another leaflet over here where you can find, well, you can pause. There's the description, you know, measures, weight, height, and also about the razor, how to maintain, how to use. So a very thorough guide, and also shaving guide. By the way, every item that you get there is a shaving guide as well. So which each item you find the shaving guide, but well, let's go for it. So that's the razor. It is an adjustable 2-piece razor. I like it like this. So it holds nice in place. It secures the razor and the stand here. But well, let's see the razor and the stand together. That's a little silicone on the bottom, and then you simply put the razor and it sits right there. So very convenient that you get a razor and a stand. Of course, you can lay down on your den, but it looks nice when you're, or even like to hold whilst you're shaving. This is the razor. It's a 2-piece razor. Relatively small handle, or a short handle, but thick, which I like. It's heavy, to the heavy side, which I also like. And it's an adjustable razor, so you just unscrew the bottom. It's a 2-piece. The top cap pops out and you can put your blade right in. And then you just screw back in, and it's ready to use. So as an adjustable razor, it goes from 1 through 6. So I like to just open a little bit, and you see like this knob. Where is it? Here, this dot. Now it's kind of an adjustment 6, which is the most aggressive, and then you can dial it down all the way to 1, for example, and you have a milder shave. So this is how adjustable razors work. And also here, really cool, because you get like the made in India, and also you get pearl, which by the way, you get also the logo here, but there's a serial number. So really cool stuff. So that's it for today. Of course, I'm gonna use it on a future video, and stay tuned for my shave with the pearl products, and I'll see you next time.